Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's get started. Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. Let's prepare the vegetables. Let's peel the shrimp. And devein it. Then let's rinse the shrimp off. Then we dice the onion. And then roughly chop the beans bar. And then we slice the chicken. And then let's marinate it. And then marinate the shrimp as well. And then let's mix the egg filled batter. Then make the cornstarch slurry. Add the oil into the hot pan. And add the batter in. Cook 10 minutes and flip every 1 minute. After 10 minutes, remove from the heat. In the new pan, add more oil and saute the vegetables. Remove from the heat. Add more oil and brown the chicken. And shrimp. And remove from the heat. Now the time to make the sauce. Add oil. Add green onion. Add some water. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Dark soy sauce. Sugar. Chicken powder. Add all the ingredients back in and mix it. When to boil. And add the cornstarch slowly. Mix all together. Pour over the eggplant and it's done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. Patty is very good, very tasty. The shrimp and chicken cooked just perfect, and the vegetable very fresh. The sauce is a little sweet and savory. It's very good. The eggplant patty is very fragrant. It's very good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。